ngayon ng napakaputi, at napaka-corny na si Mavy Legaspi.
What's up, you corny? Thank you very much. And of course, I'm happy to be with the cutest, the most beautiful, and the prettiest of them all. Miss Kyline Alcantara.
You got me up there.
And today we are doing an unboxing of
An ATM Surprise Box! Okay, Mav.
Here we go.
Sa tingin mo, ano ang nasa loob ng ATM box?
Size 10.5 na sapatos.
Hindi!
Di ba? Sorry.
Malay mo. Malay mo. Diba?
Thanks, ma'am. I knew it. You didn't have to surprise me.
Huwag dito sana.
Wag dito. Okay.
Okay. So napag-usapan natin food, fashion, travel. Sa tingin mo may ticket papuntang Korea dito?
Feel ko meron. Ako nga, iniisip ko nga cash check. Nalimutan ko lang yung card ko. I-withdraw sana.
Ay, nako! Okay,
sorry.
sabi sa inyo, tama
Mali.
yung corny. Okay, simulan na natin.
Okay. Adventure.Taste.Moments. Siguro yung mga baby pics natin.
Ay, oo nga.
Moments.
Baka, no?
Mm.
Yee! Okay, sige, tara. Dun, 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 dun,
Sorry, Koli. Sorry. Ito yun. Wow.
Ah!
Wow! I
Okay.
love it.
Okay.
Ay.
Nasira ako!
And that is the ATM moment of 2022. Thank you. Okay, first, we have
Milk tea! Ikaw, diba, you like
black sugar milk tea. Yes.
You like milk tea. Anong
Love
klaseng
milk
milk tea gusto mo? Ako, winter melon okay na.
Milk tea.
Ah!
Oh, wait. Parang, oh.
Feeling ko almond siya.
Na milk tea
Na milk tea
flavor.
flavor. Can we-
Oh. Yeah, sige, let's open it.
Pwede kumain.
Oh. Try it. Ano kaya siya?
Oh my God, nagkikrave ako bigla sa
I
milk
know.
tea. Legit, order tayo mamaya.
Bitaw dyan na ako ngayon.
Okay, let's
no?
try. I'm gonna try
You
this.
it? So, tigas siya.
Almond nga.
Almond nga siya.
Ang sarap!
Sarap.
Oh my God, promise. Promise. Pwede po akin na lang ito.
Sarap ng black sugar milk tea.
Sarap.
I like milk tea also. You said like winter melon. Ako kahit anong klaseng milk tea.
Ako nagkaroon ako ng parang isang buong week at puro nag-milk tea lang ako.
With lots and lots of pearls. Ayan.
Yun.
Siyempre ito. Go-to to. Hindi mawawala to. Seaweed snack.
Cheese?
Na seaweed snack.
What?
Wow.
No way. Ako hindi ako mahilig sa seaweed.
Are we gonna try it?
Yeah, if you
Okay.
want. Ako
If you
guys,
want.
hindi ako mahilig sa cheese. Ay, sa seaweed. Hindi ako mahilig sa seaweed. Ikaw mahilig ka sa seaweed.
Super.
Yeah, like sushi? Ah?
No,
Hindi.
seaweed lang. Then you put rice inside. Yeah,
Oh,
sushi. Yeah.
Let's
Mm.
open it. Let's try. Kain pala to.
Okay.
Saya ko.
For sure. Ay.
Cheese? First time ko makaano ng cheese, ah.
Okay. Ayan. Sige, try mo.
Hati na lang tayo.
Sige. Ayan.
Hati.
Towards the end, may lasang...
Hindi ko siya gusto.
Cheese. Cheese seaweed snack.
Ang sarap.
Sarap.
Hindi talaga ako mahilig sa seaweed. Pero
Wow.
cheese mahilig ako. Pero tama ka, may aftertaste,
Yeah,
no?
yung aftertaste yung cheese actually.
Yeah.
Sparkling yogurt. Actually, to be honest, never ko pa natatry yung sparkling na yogurt.
Sparkling yogurt?
Yogurt drink na try ko na So,
Ako
let's
din,
try
yogurt
this.
drink. Di ba tinanay?
Here, take this.
Tinanay natin siya sa Korea. Ang cute.
Okay.
Cheers!
Yan sasabihin ko sana, pero nauna ka na
Sorry.
eh. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Not a fan of it, but pwede na rin siyang inumin.
True.
Yeah.
Me kasi, I can drink anything or eat anything. I'm fine with it.
Para siyang amoy air condition ng taxi. Alam mo yung sa amoy ng taxi na parang nalalasahan mo na rin siya. Promise. Yung nakakahilo.
Sarap siya. You're a fan of yogurt drinks ba?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Ako
Okay.
din.
Next. Banana.
Of course.
Banana!
Pag mga snack talaga, lahat ng snack gusto rin kainin.
Ako pag nagka-car ride kami
Banana
lagi
snap.
ni Mav, dapat
Oh my
may
gosh.
snap.
Parang, yung amoy niya parang joke. Yung drink na laging pinapakita sa mga K-drama na banana drink. Banana milk, parang ganun.
I like it. Sarap.
Banana cake.
Matamis. Matamis. I like the texture. Hindi siya yung agad-agad nag-melt. Like, maaano mo pa rin siya.
Basta yung ending nitong banana cake kasi, pag kinain mo at pag inubos mo, ito yung ending.
Ayun nga,
Oo.
ending.
Next. Oh!
Ooh!
Yes! What do you call it?
Macaroni.
No.
Ramen.
Tteokbokki. So, tteokbokki, favorite ko yun, street food in Korea.
Ay, hindi ba siya parang side sa samgyup?
Well, known siya sa street food
Hindi
siya.
ko pa siya natatry. Nung pumunta ako ng Korea, hindi ako nakatry na
Ako,
to.
nakatry ako. Pero this time, it's a snack version.
Thank you.
Oh,
Cheers. Oh, I like this one. It's spicy.
yeah. Ay, di ba? Sorry.
It's spicy.
Uy, kaya sana eh.
It's kind of sweet also.
Yeah. Perfect balance.
Yeah.
Kasi yung tteokbokki, every time I go to Korea, lagi akong nag-aanap yun.
Kimchi din,
I don't
mahilig
know.
ka, di ba?
Kimchi, yeah.
Yeah,
Pero ito
definitely.
kasi usually yung tteokbokki, mga street food nila, may stick, diba? I'm not sure if it's squid or like rice cake or like tofu. I think it's rice cake. Parang rice something. Whatever is made with, squid. I think it's also squid or fish cake. Something like that.
Yeah, baka.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
Hindi ako sure eh.
Yeah. Next is styrofoam. The joke lang.
Hindi.
Hindi ba? Sorry. This is yogurt rice cracker.
Yeah.
Open it up.
Oh,
Have you ever
sarap.
tried a yogurt rice cracker?
I haven't. Ako mahilig talaga ako sa snacks, guys. Like, huwag niyo susundin. Pero fun fact, like, I can give up a meal for a bunch of snacks.
Medyo
It's
matigas
unhealthy.
lang, friends.
And I can
today's
give up a
video-
meal also para lang sa dessert.
Oh, kagat ka na. Oh, para hindi kayo mag-react ako, kabilang side, oh.
Hindi siya matamis.
I think you have to drink it with yogurt drink siguro.
Eto, sparkling yogurt. Na-try natin. Wait lang. Eat first.
Ito ba yung side ko?
Kahit anong side ka na lang.
Pwede. With milk, coffee, pwede yan.
Tama.
Hindi mo talaga type, no? Ito naman, let's move on. Wow! Cool summer. Ano ba to? This
Wala siya
is...
masyadong lasa. No?
Yeah. You have to drink it with coffee or milk
Maybe.
or banana milk.
Okay. Eto, ano to? Cool summer.
parang ano?
Macaron!
No.
Macaroon?
It's like this.
Mochi,
these snacks. No. It's like this, oh.
Ganun pala yung buksan pag may ganun?
Yes.
Astig! Gusto ko rin matry.
I was gonna give it... Oh, sige, go. It's okay.
Oo, di ba?
Oh, diba? Yan. Para kasi... Yeah, it's just get a bite of it. So, watermelon flavor siya. Are you a fan of watermelon?
No.
I'm a super big fan of watermelon. You know that.
So ako na rin.
So, pag nag-order kami ng shake, actually, lagi siyang ripe mango or mango shake.
Kaya pala puro
Mango juice.
watermelon. Watermelon. Post Malone.
Makapila na tayo for 3 years. Ano lang napansin?
Okay.
Okay.
Cheers! Ang bango niya. Fairness.
May pagka-marshmallow siya sa loob, no?
Sarap! Ito yung itsura niya sa loob, guys.
Yeah.
Para may marshmallow siya. So there's like a cake, there's a thin layer of, a thin coating of matcha. Feeling ko matcha to. Uy!
Nung feeling ko straight up watermelon lang siya.
Watermelon. Chocolate.
So I wonder if may iba't ibang flavors nitong whatever you call this. Pero ito yung usually, may mga local na ganito din eh.
Yeah, totoo.
Yung sinasnack ko dati sa grade school. Na may pandan, may chocolate, ube.
Chocolate yung ano.
Diba? So,
See
yeah.
guys, look.
Wow.
Masarap siya.
So now that we tried everything inside the ATM mystery box,
Uh-huh.
let's talk about our future projects na abangan ng mga kapuso natin.
So, pag-usapan mo natin yung current project
Current
natin.
mo na.
Current project. So, kaming dalawa ni Mav, meron kaming vodcast or podcast. So, ang pangalan nun ay Mavleen on Me. So, nasa Spotify siya for free and naglalabas kami every Thursday, 11 a.m. So, sana po mag-follow din kayo doon, just like this channel. Kasi itong channel na to, parang ang ganda, yun.
This channel talaga nakaka-relate yung pag-adventure. Kasi it's like taking, like what we had right now, it's like taking Korea here.
And feeling
Right
ko
in
mas
this very
nakikilala nila yung artists ng GMA with this channel. Kasi
Tama,
this
tama.
is a lifestyle channel.
Also, that's
Ibang
right.
ano naman.
Yung wants nila, paano taste nila sa food, whatsoever.
Yeah.
That's right, diba?
So yeah, going back.
And going back to it, we also syempre have brands na we're doing together na makikita nyo naman sa social media accounts namin. So,
And we have a serye! Woo! Guys, support!
That's right. Kaya mga kapuso, abangan na. I can't say the title just yet, but we have a teleserye coming up at kami na ang bibida sa serye na yun. So,
Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining us in our new channel, ATM.
That's right, this channel is all about adventure, taste, and moments.
So, katulad namin mahilig kayo sa food, travel, or fashion, subscribe and